Did you know that chess is far more than just a game? Each move exponentially increases the number of possibilities. What seems like a simple game quickly turns into a universe of endless complexity. And before you know it, the number of possible games surpasses the atoms in the universe. This is Shannon, the father of information theory. In 1950, he made a groundbreaking calculation in chess. He estimated that the total number of possible chess games is around 10 to the power of 120, a number so huge it's almost impossible to grasp. To honor his work, this number is now called Shannon's number. Let's take a practical look at the exponential growth in chess. At the very start, White has 20 possible moves to choose from. Similarly, Black also has 20 responses, resulting in 400 possible game variations after just the first move. As the game progresses, the complexity increases rapidly. After 2 moves from each side, the number of possible board positions explodes to 197,742. By the time each player has made just 3 moves, the number of unique game variations reaches an astonishing 121 million. And this is only the beginning. For clarity, we can see the number of layers, half moves, and the number of possible combinations. And this is just within the first 5 moves. The number of possible chess games is astronomical, yet still finite. Even the most powerful supercomputers struggle to calculate it entirely. Chess is both science and art. That's what makes it beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This was Chess Gambit. See you in the next game.